BEML Limited has unveiled India's first indigenous 35-ton electric dump truck at its Mysuru complex, marking a major step toward sustainable mining solutions. The vehicle was flagged off by Shantanu Roy in the presence of Sanjay Som along with other senior officials and partners. The electric dump truck has been designed for high productivity with zero tailpipe emissions, aligning with India's ESG goals and carbon reduction commitments. Powered by a permanent magnet synchronous motor, the truck offers energy efficiency of around 85 to 90% and is built to operate in heavy-duty mining conditions. The vehicle has a payload capacity of 35 tons and a gross vehicle weight of approximately 60 tons. It is also equipped with a regenerative braking system which helps recover energy, especially while operating on slopes. The dump truck features a 300 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery supported by an advanced liquid-cooled thermal management system to ensure safety and durability. According to BEML, the electric dump truck can deliver up to 70% energy savings and significantly reduce operating costs with a payback period of 1 to 2 years. With fast charging capability and robust safety features, BEML aims to lead India's transition toward clean, sustainable and high-performance mining equipment.